Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds your phone numbers. This ensures you're accessing the right dataset. Once signed in, open Contacts. Google, Com on a browser or the Contacts app on Android so you can view full details. Make sure Sync is enabled in your device settings. That allows newer changes to appear. This first step avoids incomplete exports. If you use multiple accounts, pick the correct one now. Then proceed to select contacts for export or sync. Now you select which contacts to move. Choose individual entries or all contacts to transfer everything. Once done, click the menu and pick Export and choose Google CSV for Android phones or vCard for iPhone. This ensures compatibility. Make sure you include the right fields like phone numbers, names, and emails so nothing important is omitted. After export, save the file to a known folder or cloud drive. This step creates the actual transferable file you will import to your. Finish by importing the exported file to your phone. Copy the CSV/vCard to the device or open it from cloud storage. On Android, open Contact Settings Import and choose the file. On iPhone, tap a vCard to add contacts to the phone app. Make sure the account you import into is the one you want to store contacts under, because that controls future sync. If contacts are missing, resync the Google account and, if needed, re-export with all contact fields to capture hidden numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.